Students frequently ask me how to develop range and endurance. The secret is to build the muscles in the corners of your mouth. This gives your embouchure strength. This applies to the trombone, the trumpet, the tuba, the bass trombone, and all the woodwinds, saxophone, clarinet, flute. It's all about the strength of these muscles. Now, how do we develop these muscles? A weightlifter doesn't just walk into the gymnasium and pick up 500 pounds. No, a weightlifter takes 30-pound hand weights, does a lot of repetitions, and then puts them down and rests a little bit, lets the blood flow into those muscles, and then picks them up again and does a lot of repetitions, and then puts them down and let the blood flow in. And we're going to use the same principle with developing these muscles, because it's all muscle. It's all about muscle strength. So you may say, how do we isolate these muscles and exercise them? On the brass instruments, we do what's called lip slurs. What is a lip slur? That's when you change notes without articulating. There are two types of lip slurs in my mind. One is called a simple lip slur, where you just go from one adjoining note to the next adjoining note in the harmonic series. A complex lip slur is where you skip notes in the harmonic series. You go up and down. When you practice these exercises, you try to do them evenly in time, almost like as if you were playing with a click track. There's no limit to how high you can play as you develop these muscles. Some lip slurs. These also apply to all the brass instruments, including the tuba and the trumpet. If I have a limited time to practice, I tend to play the trumpet because the tension level is double that of the trombone. I'll do this exercise until I can't play another note, and I'll put the horn down for 60 seconds, check my email, check my phone, and then go back. Etc.